Hello everyone, it is me, Chris. Yes, another Las Vegas hotel walkthrough, but we're doing something a little bit different. This is the Four Queens Hotel and Casino in downtown. Yes, I'm staying in downtown for one night. This is the first time I've ever stayed in downtown. This is the King Room in the North Tower, the non-renovated one. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Going to our left, we have a closet, very small. And in fact, this room is quite small, and you'll see. We have a number of hangers right here, if you could focus. This is where you can store luggage on, I guess it's a luggage rack. And iron, and ironing board, and iron. And then some extra pillows and an extra blanket. So, very small closet, and of course you have your mirror. Hello. And yes, we'll now go to the bathroom, which is, again, quite small. Let's go ahead and turn on the light. And as you can see, yeah. And we have a hairdryer right here. And just a little sink and soap. And shampoo and body lotion. Yeah, nothing too spectacular. And we have just a regular old tub and shower. So nothing real special. Again, it's a little bit small, but you don't really need a whole lot. So let's go ahead and go into the main room. And right here, if I could turn on some lights, we have a coffee maker. Yep, you can make coffee here. And yep, we have our lamp right here. And what do I see? A plug right here on the lamp. I know that in some of my videos I have complained about the lack of plugs. I probably will in this video, but let's just go ahead and continue. And this is the main room. Not too big, about I believe 290 feet. 290 square feet. And we have the air conditioning right here, set to 75 degrees. It's 73 right now inside. Phone right here. Drawer, Holy Bible, and a phone book. Have your king-size bed right here. And you have, this is my stuff, ignore that. Just a basic alarm clock. Nothing in this drawer. And you have your just little old safe. Let's see if it works. It's closed. And opened up again. And this is a door that is actually a connecting door. You don't really see that, I guess, in Vegas casino hotels. Maybe you do in some hotels that I may not have stayed in. Let me know. And we have a small little desk if you want to do some work and whatnot. And this is interesting. What they have here are earplugs. And you're wondering, why would the hotel supply earplugs? Well, every night, or most nights, they basically play a whole bunch of live music. And the music gets very, very, very loud. So this helps in some aspect. Now, this is the reason why I have, up until now, stayed away from staying in downtown, because of the music on Fremont Street. Have our TV, nothing too special, and a few drawers to store clothes and whatnot. And that's pretty much it. Overall, this is a very small room. Oh, and I forgot, I will go ahead and show you the view. Because if I don't do this, some people will complain. Yep, and this is the view. As you can see, we can see the Gold Spike Hotel all the way across. This is the Fremont Street canopy, so we're above it. And if we go over here, you see California Hotel and Casino right there. And there's Binion's. Of course, the hotel's been closed for some time, but I have read that they are converting some of the rooms into a boutique hotel of some kind. I'm not totally sure. Again, let me know. I should know this, but unfortunately my memory is just crap. So it's actually not a bad view. I know I don't stress the views whenever I consider in a Vegas hotel, but then again, hey, I'll take a decent view. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Oh, and as of today, when I'm recording this, there is no resort fee, which is kind of a rarity for casino hotels. Now, I was hearing about stuff about how they were charging for the internet, but when I went to go and actually get on the internet, I actually noted that it looked like it was complimentary, except you can actually upgrade to a premium for about $5 per night. And I believe that's per device. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. So, yeah. It's not a bad, it was actually pretty cheap compared to the other hotels, and especially the strip hotels. That's why I picked it for tonight. But I will be moving on to the strip, and I will make a video there. You will see that. Anyways, that's it. Please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.